Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be Amazon products you need to try. These are super cool products that I found and I think they're super interesting. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first product is this Hexagon rotating timer. So this is the packaging it comes in, and it came in 4 colors. I picked up the white one right here. So here's a close-up of the product. Pretty much the way it works is it's set to just these times around here, and you simply flip it so that the time you want is at the top. So for example, if you want it to be 30-minute timing, you just flip it and it starts counting down. The reason I think this is super cool and helpful is because if I don't have some sort of time frame to get something done, it just doesn't happen. And using my phone as a timer also does not work for me, because then I constantly feel the need to check my phone and then of course end up on social media or texting and just wasting time. So I feel like this is a great way to keep on track and not get distracted in the process. The only thing I'm not crazy about is that to me the color is an off-white. It's not a super bright white, so I'm debating if I should get it in black instead, but either way I really like the concept of it. The second item are the best beauty blenders ever. So this is not the actual beauty blender brand, it's way more affordable, and in my opinion it's way better quality. So the brand is Beaky. So I do have an entire review on a Beaky brush set, and I will leave that link down below, but I absolutely love their beauty sponges, and this one comes with 5 different colors, and they're just like the best texture, the like perfect amount of squishiness, and they're way cheaper than the actual beauty blender. So if you really like to use sponges when doing your makeup, I highly suggest trying these. They're super affordable and great quality. The next item is this little speaker here, and a speaker is something I did not want to spend a ton of money on, and I personally did not want one of those things where it can like listen to you talking all the time and like responds to your voice, because I think that's so creepy. So this was perfect. It's only $12. It has amazing battery life, amazing sound quality, and it can get really loud. The way it works is just using Bluetooth, so it's super easy to connect your phone music to the device. And it comes in a bunch of really pretty colors. I got gold, and then I also got one for my sister, and she loves it as well. The brand is spelled Nenrue. I'll type it right here. But yeah, if you're looking for a really affordable but good quality speaker, I would definitely recommend this one here. So the next item is kind of random, but socks are something I'm super picky about. I hate when my socks are too short or too long, and I feel like these are the perfect length. So these are called Toes Home, and this was a 6-pack. So it comes with gray, black, and white socks, 2 of each color, and they are no-show socks for women, and they're non-slip. So what's nice is that in the back by the heel, it kind of has like an adhesive so that it stays in place as well, and they're super comfortable. So all of these items I will be sure to leave linked down below in the description box if you want to check it out. Next are these NextCare acne absorbing covers, and these are little pads that you can stick on your pimples overnight, and when you wake up it kind of like sucks out any oil or pus in them and like drains them, so that when you wake up the next morning, they're actually smaller in size. So these are super cool because it really helps speed up the process and get rid of your acne a lot sooner. This next item my friend actually got me as a gift for Christmas, and it is a heated blanket. So this is it in gray, and I feel like a heated blanket is just something I had never thought to get myself, but it's actually amazing, and I can't believe I didn't have one for so long now. This one is really nice. So I got the plain gray so it matches with everything, and then this is just how you control it. You can heat up the temperature here, on and off button, super simple, and that is the brand of the one I have. Once again, I'll be sure to link it down in the description box down below, but if you don't have a heated blanket, I highly suggest you invest in one because it's super convenient and super comforting. Another electronic device I highly recommend is this 10-foot charging cord. It's really nice quality. I've actually had it for a couple years now and it's still in great condition, and it's super convenient that it's 10 feet long because when you're in bed, like, you're not hunched over when you're texting, or you can use it across your entire like living room so you can still sit on the couch. So it's super convenient. And then two last quick products. The first one is my favorite self-tanner. This is definitely, in my opinion, the best self-tanner around, and it's super affordable. It's the St. Maur's Professional Tanning Mousse. So it's super easy to apply, and if you want to get a tan for the summer but are trying to avoid too much sun exposure, I definitely recommend this brand. And then finally, it's my favorite hairbrush, and this is the Goody Quick Style. So what's cool about this brush is that it does have these little like blue kind of like little cloth pieces within the brush, so that when you're brushing your hair when it's wet, it absorbs so much excess water and it helps your hair dry a lot quicker because of it. And then I'm actually going to randomly throw this in here as well. So this is the cup I usually use most of the time, and it is the Yeti. This is my favorite color, and I want to say this one's like 32 ounces or something like that. What's nice is it keeps your drink super cold or super hot for hours and hours. Like, literally, I've put ice cubes in here before and it was still in there the next day. And then I also really love these like stainless steel metal reusable straws from Corksicle. It fits perfectly onto the top, and it's just a great way to, you know, stop and cut back on using reusable plastic straws. So those are all of my current favorite Amazon products at the moment. I'll be sure to link everything down below in the description box as always. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!